One of my main wellness goals for 2024 is journaling. I've had small journaling phases here and there, but I found myself stopping each time and being inconsistent. I want a space where I can process all my emotions, track my progress and growth, achieve goals and find inspiration, document thoughts, conversations, and moments. I've never been more excited to start till now. Something tells me that it will be really beneficial for me to do so in 2024. I think it's because I'm in a stage of life where things are so uncertain, but I have so many big goals and dreams that I hope to accomplish, starting this year. That is why I love to create videos for YouTube and document phases of my life. It is my biggest goal this year to grow my channel. There's nothing that I found yet that I enjoy more than being creative through creating content, especially for YouTube. It's been a dream since I was in elementary school. I started 5 years ago just as I became a senior in high school, but I struggled to be consistent, especially in college. Now, I am at a place where I put most of my time into creating videos because I feel like so much of that time was difficult to have before. I feel blessed that I'm able to take a step back and focus on growing my channel. There are so many content creators out there who balance a full-time job or school, life, and content creation. And I thought that would be me right after graduating from college. But I decided that I wanted to take things a little slower for now, before life gets crazier and faster. I've been seeing growth since I started posting consistently this past summer, and it has been very encouraging and motivating when people tell me that they love my videos. I'm always so grateful for their support. And if you're a new viewer here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you enjoy and subscribe to join this journey with me. Welcome. I made a super quick breakfast because I have to go grocery shopping with my mom. I made this yesterday, this tomato sauce for my pasta. So I had leftover sauce that I'm gonna eat with the bread. It's so good. Very savory meal. This pepperoni, the brand that I got, is pretty spicy. And the juice always comes out. Because the ones that come like with Papa John's pizza, they're never spicy, but they're really yummy. This one, I can't have as many because it gets pretty spicy. I'm gonna wear my new bag that my boyfriend's mom gifted me for Christmas. It's a belt bag, but you can also wear it as like a fanny pack. This material makes it so winter and cozy, so I love it. Just gonna pack the essentials, don't need much because it's just going to Costco. My wallet, this lip balm that I love currently. It's Glosses Ultra Lip in Cranberry. The lighting was bad, so I'm gonna show it here. Also the perfect winter shade, I love it. And then my Les Spec sunglasses. All ready to go. This is the look. That flavor.
경찰 새끼들 지들한테 뭐하냐?
그거 Have your moment.
Next.
Yes.
Alexa, next. Yeah, get into it. Did it. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell swing and jingle bell ring.
이거는 되게 썸만 메이드.
What's a movie with no ending? Or a horse without its wheels? What's a car good for without an engine? Or these songs, if you don't want to hear them?
I'm gonna make chocolate chip banana bread muffins because look how ripe these bananas are.
I used to getting all confused. Give me a minute, let me dilute. I don't know why I tried so hard to stay on your radar, in your orbit. And I know I said I didn't want it all, but I think I want it all. I think I need it all. I really try to do just enough, not too much for you. You never know, you never know.
about to get a haircut. The before of my hair, I plan on getting a lot of layers, maybe some curtain bangs, so we'll see what it turns out like. Hello and Merry Christmas everyone. I can't believe it's already Christmas. It's crazy how fast December went by. My sister and my brother-in-law are here, and then his parents are also here. So we're all together to celebrate Christmas and we're about to have lunch. But I just wanted to hop in and say happy holidays to all of you guys. Hope you guys are staying safe and warm. Just hope everyone's having a great day so far. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna go down. I just wanted to say hi and yeah.